We will guide you through how to make a white line transition in CapCut PC. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, access the Windows Start menu on your computer and find CapCut by using the Windows search feature. Launch the CapCut desktop editor and wait for the editing workspace to finish loading before continuing. Start a new project or continue editing an existing one, depending on your needs. Import the video clips you want to transition between if they have not already been added to your project. Place the clips in sequence on the timeline so they meet at the point where you want the transition to appear. Navigate to the Transitions tab at the top of the editor and allow the Transition Effects library to load completely. Enter white line into the transition search field to quickly locate the effect. Browse the available white line transition presets and compare the different options until you find the one that best matches your editing style. Click the white line transition to select it and preview how it looks before applying it. Apply the transition by dragging it onto the cut between the two clips on the timeline. Change the transition duration to match your preferred timing. A shorter duration creates a quicker effect, while a longer duration produces a more gradual animation between the clips. Preview the transition in the playback window and watch carefully to see how the white line moves across the screen. Adjust the duration until the white line animation appears clean and fluid. Continue previewing after each adjustment to make sure the transition blends naturally with both clips and matches the pace of your project. Watch the complete video from beginning to end to confirm every transition looks consistent and complements the overall flow of your edit. Make any final timing adjustments if necessary before finishing your work.